Hey, what's up, YouTubers again? So I'm currently, being tried by numerous temptations, especially sexual temptations. After I, ran, Australia Post, and I failed to reach out to them to make some inquiries about my parcel, which still currently allegedly still stays at the at their branch in Riverwood, New South Wales, Australia. And I pled, I urged and pled that friend of mine to pick it up by this Friday. I need to say to pick her up by this Friday. Otherwise, I have huge concerns that the post shop is about to return her to the original sender back in Victoria State, and I'm currently, experiencing plenty of implicit anxieties, though you can't see how those anxieties work inside my head, on my mind, and I'm currently not sure if I should fap or just go to my room and bang the sex doll, since my grandma is currently taking a nap. And that's exactly why I lowered I lowered the volume of my speech. So here, let me show you what I am currently doing on my computer screen, just to give you guys a bit of idea. And I am currently designing. I am currently designing. Oops. Jesus. I shall give you guys the specifics once I finish up. Once I wrap these tasks up. So do stay tuned. And thank you very much for your patronage and kind support, to those who have been supporting me on Patreon. So cheers, stay tuned, continue to hold the line with me, and take care, stay faithful, and remain steadfast. Bye bye. Here we go. Looks like we need to further shrink. Looks like we need to further shrink the size of the image and the size of the fonts over there. Here. So let us proceed. Shrink it a bit. Okay, how does this one look? Maybe a little too small here. This one looks just right. This one should. 現在の space 404, 222. That looks great. So let's save it here and Patreon page is asking the optimum size 460 by 200 pixels, so maybe we can adjust a bit more just to fit the size. Okay, let's make it up. Oops, no, that's not what we want. 460, so we can make it slightly larger. Oh no, don't give me that. Close enough. Close enough, yeah, let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. Commit first, figure out later. So it looks great. Yeah. Saving. Yeah, it takes a while to save. Okay, here we go. Alright, that looks nice. Super nice. Awesome. In order to maximize the results we like to get, I highly recommend that you click create a tag using Canva here on their portal. Here we have a new window open. This one has been saved already, so let's close it. So we need to let's pick a background here. So here I am building the icon, the tier image for such tier named Ultimate Founding Christian MGTOW Patron. So here, let's try that. Ultimate Founding. We'll use this one. Well, the colors appears a bit gay though. Let us proceed. So this font doesn't look very cool. Actually, looks kind of either disruptive or invasive when it comes to posting it on Patreon as one of the tier images. So let's remove it here. Remove this shot. Oops, sorry. So, yeah. Okay, removed. Let's use this font instead. So let's check back the Patreon page. Just need to issue Ultimate Founding Christian MGTOW Patreon. Please allow me to click the edit tiers and try to, because I misspelled a word here. Ultimate Founding Christian MGTOW Patreon. Ultimate Founding Christian MGTOW Patrons tier. Let's change the name a bit. So in turn we need to change the wording here as well. Christian MGTOW Founding. Let's pause it. If you guys can excuse me for a while, I have a message to attend. I have an incoming message to attend. See you guys later. Let's try to make it Patreon. Monks funding tier. Christian McDowell Monks funding tier. Sounds a bit of a more professional. Yeah, so let's see how we do. The Patreon stipulates that the image had the recommended size of an image most appropriate for a tier image should have 560 pixels times 200 pixels. So let's see if our image here fits in their most recommended parameter. Let's see, this one. Allow me to download this one first. Should add more elements here. So let's search for element monk. Maybe you should search for monk or monastery. How about we go to Wikipedia then? Capture. Document 1. Yes. So in here I'm going to show you how to smoothen the edges of this image I have selected. Not this one. This effect, no. Not this one. Maybe reflected soft edge rectangle. Yeah, this one looks perfect. Yeah, so let's save it as a picture. Sorry, not here. Patreon tiers. Softened edges. Notebook graphics. Yeah, this one looks good. Don't see, because we already have this one. Have we? Still doesn't look so great. Oh my god, I just forget. I just made a mistake here. Oh my god. Soften. We just need to get the screenshot here. We don't even have to save the image. Just need to get a screenshot here. And that's it. And then we drag and drop again. Yeah, here we go. Okay, how does it look now? Can we get a... Do we have more effects here? Let's try. picture frame. This one actually looks way better. Maybe we should make a switch. Yeah, let's use this one instead. Oval shape looks better. Yeah, save it. And switch back here. Oh, kind of awkward here. Yeah, let's delete this. Delete. Upload this one instead. Deleted that one to avoid confusion. Yeah, for the sake of simplicity and clarifications. Still can't get rid of the edge. Oh my god. Maybe there are better ways, but the problem is I can't identify the exact color here using the RGB model. So let's search what this number here represent. You know, the number here. Let's go online and search the web a bit. What does number represent? Not sure. Hash 8573 small a, hash 8573 small a 3 in RGB color hex. Does that mean 133, 115, 163? Okay, maybe we have found more colors. Give it a background here that I mentioned here. Sorry. How come this scaling? Shite. Sorry, just need to adjust the scaling a bit. Oh my god. How do I screen transitions? Fade. Didn't click this one correctly. This is harsh, man. Never mind. I shall adjust it later. I just need to upload this image super fast. Yeah, here we go. And there we have it. So let's take a... Yeah, let's save this one. Save this image, raw image first. Before we get down to business. Alter second time. Alteration. We don't actually need to use the whole raw image. We just need to capture a screenshot here. As long as the pixel comply as long as the number of the pixels complies with what Patreon has recommended for tier images. So let's try again. Apparently this one still looks, the font still looks a bit large, so we are gonna adjust it even smaller. Adjust just a little bit. Even this one, the background, make them smaller so that they fit in to the image. Okay, so how does this one look? 200 pixels. Further here, even further. Yeah, we almost have it. We just need to compress this cute little thing a bit. Let's try again. Let's download this one first. First thing first. Yeah. Need to make sure that I get the images here so that I can download. I can make them. In the meantime, Patreon exclusive content. Okay, so do we look way better now? 200. Here we have 200. Still need to make this one smaller. Even smaller. The fonts here, even smaller. Make it 4.8. How does that sound? Yeah, 4.8. So let's try that again. Download. This is gonna be the fourth time alteration or modification. Yeah. Let's try that again. Screenshot 460 pixel horizontally speaking, and 200 pixels vertically speaking. So here we finally have this one. Looks super cool, and let's save it and go back to our Patreon page and select tier image and click the one we just created. Oh my god, this one looks super perfect, don't you guys think? But I suppose there are still several more things I need to adjust. Oh, this one, yeah, this one just to make the fonts bold. And yeah, let's download the raw image here. Oh, it's gonna take me quite some time. It's gonna be the 5th time of alteration or modification. 5. Yeah, so let's do that one last time for this tier. 460 and 200 pixels horizontally speaking. Try to cover as much leaves as we can. Yeah, try to make it perfect. Oh, this one looks perfect. Let's go back to the Patreon page again and re-upload an image again. Sort by date. This one should. Yeah, this one looks perfect. Jesus Christ. Thank God. Saved it here. Yeah, so we have. It's loading. Yeah, we have it. Awesome. So now we have personal development for all men, personal development founding. So let's edit the tier here. Edit the name of the tier. Personal development founding. So I shall pause the recording for now, just to catch my breath. So thank you very much, guys, for watching and listening. I shall catch up with you guys later. Peace and have fun.